Think you understand Agile? Try these 5 tricky questions. Question 1. A team committed to 40 story points but realizes midway they can complete only 28 due to unexpected integration complexity. The product owner insists the team must meet the original commitment. What should the Scrum Master do first? You have 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option 2 because in Agile, sprint commitment is a forecast, not a fixed contract. The Scrum Master should facilitate transparent reprioritization with the product owner while protecting team sustainability, quality, and customer value instead of forcing overtime or escalating prematurely. Question 2. A critical healthcare product release is approaching. Mid-sprint, a senior stakeholder asks the team to include a small compliance enhancement that appears low effort but may introduce regression risks and impact testing stability. The product owner believes the change is important for future audits, while developers warn it could jeopardize sprint predictability. What should the Scrum Master do first? You have 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option 3 because the Scrum Master enables transparency, collaboration, empirical decision-making, and informed prioritization rather than enforcing scope, escalating prematurely, or optimizing only for commitment predictability. Question 3. A global pharma company adopts Agile for a regulatory submission platform. After 3 sprints, leadership notices that velocity is stable, dashboards are green, and all planned stories are being completed. However, business users continue reporting dissatisfaction because the delivered increments do not reduce their actual operational workload. Which interpretation best reflects an Agile mindset? You have 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C because Agile measures success primarily through customer value, usable outcomes, and feedback-driven improvement, not just velocity, utilization, or completed story points. Stable delivery metrics can still hide poor product market or operational fit. Question 4. A company running a large Agile transformation notices an unusual pattern across multiple teams. Velocity has increased steadily for 5 consecutive sprints. Defect leakage into production has also increased. Retrospectives are becoming shorter and highly procedural. Teams rarely challenge product owner priorities anymore. Stakeholders are happier with delivery speed, but end users report growing usability frustration. Leadership now plans to replicate this high-performing model across the organization. Which conclusion is most accurate from an Agile mindset perspective? You have 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option 2. This scenario tests deep Agile systems thinking. The organization appears successful through traditional delivery metrics, but hidden signals, reduced psychological safety, declining retrospectives, weak feedback loops, rising defects, and poor user outcomes indicate local optimization replacing true agility. Agile maturity is not velocity growth alone, it is sustainable value delivery, learning, adaptability, quality, and customer impact. Question 5. A large enterprise Agile program introduces a policy that no sprint can end with incomplete work because leadership believes rollover stories reduce predictability and investor confidence. Over time, teams begin splitting stories into extremely small tasks, avoiding technical experimentation, and rejecting uncertain backlog items during sprint planning. Velocity becomes highly stable, but innovation and customer feedback adoption slow significantly. Which observation best explains the underlying Agile issue? You have 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option 2. This question tests whether you recognize a hidden anti-pattern in Agile transformations, teams gaming metrics to appear predictable. Stable velocity may look successful externally, but the system is silently discouraging experimentation, innovation, risk-taking, and empirical learning, the core foundations of true agility.
Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.